Hello class. In this video I am going to explain a simple program using method. Okay. So first of all we create a class. Class name is demo. Then here we create a method. It's a void add method. Okay. In this method I am passing two values, two parameters, a, int b, these two parameters, and in this function we perform the addition of these two numbers. So simple int sum is equals to a plus b, and print the value of system dot out dot println, print the value of sum. Sum is plus sum variable. Okay, and close this function. In this function only we want to sum of these two numbers. Next function, void product function. In this function I am going to product or multiply three numbers. So I am taking value here int x comma int y comma int z, these three numbers. It's a function definition, a function declaration. Now I am going to give the function definition, means body of the function. So here I am taking another variable prod and prod function to store the product of these numbers x into y into z, and print the system dot out dot println, print the message here product is plus variable. Prod variable, then semicolon, and close this method also. So here we are creating two methods. First method is add, to add two numbers, and second method is prod, to product of these three numbers. After this, now we are going to call these two methods by using the main method. Now here I am going to start write the main method. Public static void main string argument. Now we have to call this method, so we need to create the object of the class. Class name is demo, so write the class. You know how to create the object. Class name, then object name. Object name is depends on you. You can write any name in place of obj, is equals to new and class name demo. After this, now we are going to, here is the void add method and here is the product method. So with the help of object obj dot, firstly we call the add method. When we call add method, so add method is a parametric method, means here we pass two integer type value. So when we call this method, so we need to give two values here, integer value. Okay, so here I am given the 89 comma 109, these two values, and close this method. After this, now we are going to call second method, that is obj dot product method. And in this method we pass three values of integer type. Okay, so here I am passing 58 into 6 into 9, oh sorry, not into, just comma, these three values separated by comma. Okay, then semicolon. After this, close the main method and close the class. Now going to compile our program. Click on compile button. Here is error. What kind of error? Just click on Control K. Control K. So you can see cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Print ln. By mistake spelling is wrong of print function. Okay, so it cannot be find this method. It's a print ln. T is missing there. Okay, now again I am going to compile this program. Yes, now no syntax error. Click on close button. Right click on your method and click on void main. Simply click on OK. So you can see here sum is 198 and product is 4176. Now I am going to change some. Here we are calling the firstly add method, then product method. So it's an object oriented programming. It directly control directly comes to the main method. Okay, so if here when we create the method or declare the method, that sequence is not sequence not follow. Okay, we follow the it follow the sequence which has been given in the main method. You can see here firstly we create the add method and second we create the product method, but now I am going to call the firstly product method and then add method. So firstly it show the result of product method, then it show the result of add method, because control directly come to the main method and create the object, then go to the next line it calls the product method, so it comes to the control comes to the product method and then after add method. So you can see, compile it, click on close, execute it, click on OK. You can see the answer. Okay, product and sum. So firstly it it perform the product, it call the product function, then sum function. So it's a simple program of method related to method.